Hi guys, welcome in, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a lemon chicken, right? We got our chicken thighs, right? And we got our lemon juice, we got salt, we got pepper, we got Dijon mustard, we got garlic cloves. We're going to use a little bit of this Mrs. Dash, right? We got oregano, we got thyme. We're going to use some of this chicken bouillon, right? And we got olive oil. So I'll bring you guys back once we start putting this all together. All right guys, so we're going to set up the marinade for our chicken, right? So we're going to go 1 tablespoon of oregano. We're going to go 2 teaspoons of thyme leaves. 1, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. 1, 2, that's about 2 teaspoons, right? All right, and now we're going to go 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. 1, 2. We're going to go in with some fresh black pepper, about 1 teaspoon. I'm going to go in with some Mrs. Dash. Now, I'm not going to put too much. I'm just going to put probably about 1 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash. That's the Italian melody. So now we're going with some more of our wet. We got 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. And then we're going in with 4 garlic cloves, minced. One-third of a cup of olive oil. All right, guys, and that's our marinade. I'm just going to give this a quick stir. All right, guys, so now we got our chicken thighs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel the skin back on these, right? We want to get some flavor here, even though we're marinating, right? Just want to get a little extra flavor if we can under the skin. And take 1 packet of our chicken bouillon. We're just going to sprinkle some on every one. This one is a small one. This one's probably going to burn up on us, but I'm not going to worry about that one too much. And we're just going to do the same thing on the back side. Just sprinkle a little bit of this chicken bouillon right on top. Hey guys, and now I'm just going to give these a nice little massage and get that seasoning everywhere, that bouillon seasoning everywhere, right? Want to get it really incorporated. All right, so now we're going to take these and put them in our marinating sauce. Right, and we're just going to give this a nice mix. Get this everywhere. All right, so this is all mixed up, right? This is all mixed up nice. And guys, this is gonna go in the refrigerator for 1 to 8 hours. I'm only gonna do about 1 because I'm eating this tonight. I'm making this tonight to eat tonight. So 1 hour just like this. I'll probably come back in a half an hour and give this another mix, but this is gonna go in the refrigerator. And we'll be back. All right, guys, so these have been marinating for like about an hour and a half now. And these are gonna go in the oven at 350 until they're done. So I'm gonna cook these to like about 175, 180, maybe even 190, probably 190. I like my chicken thighs because these are a little bit thicker pieces of chicken. So I'm saying like 190. All right, now I got these onions and lemons. I'm just gonna place the chicken right down on top of them. All right, and then just take the rest of that marinade and just get it on top, just like that. And that's it, guys. This is going, and that's it. This is going in the oven, 350, until we reach the internal temperature. We'll cook at the temperature now, until we get to like about 185, 190. And I guess I'll see you in about an hour or so. 45 minutes. All right, so there we go, guys. Here's our chicken. It's been about 45 minutes, 50 minutes or so, and our chicken is done. Let's just temp it real quick. We're coming in at 199. That's 200. 192. So guys, this is fine. This is like where I like to take chicken thighs. So we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes before we get into it, but let's just pick one up and take a look at it. Let's take a look at this one right here on the bottom, guys. Look at all that nice gravy that we can pour on top of our chicken. Right? So guys, I can't wait to get into this. We're just gonna let this sit for at least 5 minutes, and I'll bring you back when we're gonna cut into this. One. I'm gonna have two. Okay. And guys, check this out, right? Check this out. You hear that? All right. Now we're gonna go down just a little bit of this lemon juice gravy right on top. And this is what we're eating tonight. We have a lemon chicken with vegetables and rice. Yep. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.